Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start setting up my Makselife daily. Oh my god, it has been a hot minute since I have been in this planner. Okay, so even my tabs are like labeled wrong, but the last time I used this was February 20th, and I was, as you can see, using it quite sparingly because life just got really hectic. So that's kind of one of the beauties though about an undated planner, is that now I can just jump right back into this with no problem at all. So I even went ahead and switched out my cover on here. I have this EC cover that I was using when I was using the A5 plum paper. I really love this pattern. You guys know that I love animal print so much, but I really love this cover. My only situation though is that it makes the book seem really small on the coil. So I'm honestly thinking, and I haven't made up my mind yet because I want to move my goal setting into my flagship planner, or even just on my digital Makselife, because I do love the digital so freaking much, is taking all of the goal setting out of here and just having the daily, but I could probably fit 6 months on the coil instead of just 3. Is it 3 months? Yeah, 3 months in here. That might be an option. So I haven't made up my mind just yet, but I think that that's the direction that I am headed in, because to me that's just really small, and I don't know, I'd have to see how many pages are removed and then see what's left, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated if I do that. So let's jump in. I grabbed this kit from Planner Kate. She does make the A5 Makselife kits now, and I absolutely love it. So I grabbed the sampler that covers like all the dates, all the things, even the weekly actions, and I grabbed some washi. So today we're just going to be setting that up. So let's start with this week of sticker. Again, if you've watched my previous plan with me's with this kit, like this kit right here, you get so much for your money. Like, she includes basically 3 things all on one sheet, which is just phenomenal. I even got the washi for this kit because I love it so much. I also got the weekly kit for my EC hourly, which I'm so freaking excited about. I wanted it all to match. This is the week of St. Patrick's Day, but I wanted to use my St. Patrick's kit for this week because that just made the most sense to me. So let's get this sticker strip down. I mean, oh my gosh, this just makes these pages like come to life, which I absolutely love. All right, now I need to date them, and of course I have my, or I don't have my date covers near me, or my tweezers anywhere near me. Oh my goodness, I know what words are. Okay, so let's start with the 14th. Hopefully I can get these down kind of straight. In a way, my nails are helping. That's not straight at all. Oh my gosh. I can always use the edge of this palette knife to help me out here to get them a little bit more straight. I mean, that's better than what it was before, so that will be just fine. And I'm almost thinking that I was supposed to use these date covers on these. I think so. I think I've done this backwards before. Let's just go ahead and put them on the date strips for the week. Oh my. Anyway, so this is actually just going to be a setup page specifically for this week view, and then throughout the week, if I have the chance to, I will film at least one daily plan with me with you guys, and we can go from there. So this is primarily a setup video using this kit. Again, I love her kits so much, but this one, the way she designed this one is just unlike any other. So she made really good use of the space on the sheet, which she always does. Okay, so using the palette knife wasn't a horrible idea at all. Like, this is actually working out, so pretty happy about that. Okay, let's use these colors down here for the pink. It's kind of like a pink on pink. This page is very heavy in pink. I may end up adding some of this washi just because yeah, I would like a little bit more color on this page than just the pink. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know. I would have been fine if the numbers were all black as well, but I get it. She wants to add some variation to the sheets, so that's really cool. I haven't decided if I want to use the weekly actions part of this sticker kit, simply because I'm really liking keeping my goals in the flagship right now. I realized that while I was using multiple Makselife products, I was feeling like I had to keep my goals in multiple places, and that's just not working. My goals are a little bit more simple and streamlined, so I'm basically sticking to monthly goals, which is really, really working for me. All right, I don't know if this is even going to make a difference. Probably not. Let's just leave that alone. So there's that. Let's do, okay, so in previous weeks, I was basically making a water tracker, my steps and my sleep, and what workouts I was doing. So I think I'm going to do the same. I'm going to probably have to like flip back and forth here. Let me just put a sticker sheet right here so I can keep coming back to it. And I'm going to grab a ruler. I'll just grab this EC one because it's the one that's closest to me. Okay, now that I've got the water portion set up, next up I'm going to do and I've lost my place in here. There are so many pages in between each week. Now I'm going to do steps and sleep, and then workouts over here. Okay, and then of course I want to make sure I write the date up at the top. So March 14th through the 20th. I've only been looking at my planner for like the last 30 minutes and didn't realize I didn't write that on there. And then of course for this specific page, the focus is wellness. All right, now let's set up the other pages in here. And this part will be fairly quick because essentially I am just putting the date cover across the top. I love how perfectly these fit. These are just absolutely great. And then, yeah, we'll just go through the rest of the days. I also grabbed the corresponding washi strips just because I thought that those are really cute. And I just thought it would be nice to, kind of set up each day, just having the matching ones at the top and the bottom. So actually let me go back to Monday and change that one. Sometimes I don't make them match, but it's kind of cute that it does match. Look, there's just so much pink. It makes it look like the whole week is going to be pink. So it is what it is. All right, let's put the blue down at the bottom. I've also noticed that I haven't been using the 3 boxes at the bottom simply because how I have the week set up is for all of those habits I would be tracking anyway. So it kind of just helped me streamline the process for how I have this planner set up, and it's just working a lot easier for me. Okay, so each day is set up with those headers. Oh man, losing my voice. Okay, and then the other thing that I want to do is I like to use the Chrissy Ann design stickers that are in my font. I mean, it's kind of cheating, but not really. So I'm going to grab 7 of the schedule stickers. This might take a minute, but I will at least show you how one day is set up. So my schedule is going to go here. Priorities up here, and then my to-do area right over here on this side, and then a social media area. Now there will definitely be more added to these pages, of course, as each day comes along, but that's how I'm gonna have each day set up. And I may actually put gratitude right here, except I'm really trying to be like cognizant about overlap. Like, is my journal gonna have the gratitude in it as well as over here? I don't know. I guess we can we can see if I feel like there's overlap, then I can change it up next week. So that is not going to be a problem. Okay, I'm going to finish adding these to the rest of the days of the week, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I have all of my headers done in all the days of the week. I even switched Sunday and Saturday. They were backwards, so if you were screaming at your monitor, your phone, whatever, however you're watching, I'm so sorry. But yeah, that's real life. That's how it happens. I mixed the days up. But now it is all set up. I feel more at ease to just grab this and jump right into it each day because each day is set up and ready to go. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.